Welcome to Recurring Riches, where we build a foundation for generational wealth. Today we will be going over my first dividend stock pick. This channel is to document my financial journey and is no way financial advice. Do your own research. I am not a financial advisor. So today's pick is Cisco Systems Inc., ticker symbol CSCO. Cisco Systems Inc. is a leading technology company that provides networking and communication solutions to businesses and organizations worldwide. The company is known for its high-quality products and services, making it a popular choice among customers and investors alike. One of the reasons why investors are interested in Cisco Systems Inc. is because of its dividend. A dividend stock is a type of stock that pays a portion of the company's profits to its shareholders on a regular basis. Cisco Systems has been paying dividends for many years, making it a good choice for new investors to earn a passive income. Cisco Systems has a current dividend yield of around 2.5%, which is a decent stable dividend for a blue-chip technology company. The company has been steadily increasing its dividend payouts for many years. This is very good sign for investors who are looking for a realizable source of income. Investing in dividend stocks can be a good strategy for investors who are looking for stable returns over the long term. Dividend stocks provide a steady stream of income, which can help investors to ride out market volatility and economic downturns. So to sum it all up, rich family, Cisco Systems Inc. is a reliable dividend stock that offers a decent yield. It pays out every January, April, July, and October. If you are seeking income in these months, you might want to consider Cisco Systems Inc. After doing your own research, of course. Thanks for watching, rich family, and don't forget to subscribe and join Recurring Riches for more videos on finance, stocks, crypto, investments and more.